Sometimes the most powerful part of a painting is what isn't there. That quiet, open area, that's called negative space, and it's more powerful than you might think. Mastering Composition, Episode 6, Negative Space, the Power of Emptiness. Negative space is the area around and between objects. It's not just blank, it's intentional. It gives the eye space to rest, draws attention to the subject, and adds emotional weight. Artists use negative space to create contrast, balance, and focus. It can evoke calm or tension. Think of it like silence in music. Without it, everything feels overwhelming. Let's try something. I'll show you a painting with strong negative space. Describe the space around the subject, not just the subject itself. Notice how the emptiness strengthens the figure? That's the power of what's not there. Negative space is the pause, the breath, the quiet that gives an image strength. Next time, we'll explore something deeply human, eye contact and gaze, and how a single glance can capture attention. So if you're enjoying this creative deep dive, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next chapter.